In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage your dashboards in HubSpot. Let's start right from your HubSpot account. Once you've logged in, look at the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Reporting. This is where HubSpot groups all of your analytics and performance tools. Go ahead and click on Reporting. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to click on Reports and then look for dashboards within that menu, depending on your account layout. After you open the reporting area, you'll see a section dedicated to dashboards. Click on Dashboards. This takes you to the main dashboard library where you can see any dashboards that already exist, along with options to filter or switch between them. This is essentially your home base for all dashboard related work. Now, to create a new dashboard, look for the button that says New Dashboard or shows a plus sign next to it. Click on New Dashboard. This opens a setup panel or window where you'll define the basics of your new dashboard. HubSpot might show you some templates here, but for now, the most important thing is simply creating a space to organize your reports. Next, you'll be asked to type in a name for your dashboard. Choose a name that clearly describes its purpose, like Sales Pipeline Overview, Marketing Performance, or Customer Support Metrics. Good naming makes it easier for you and your teammates to quickly understand what the dashboard is for and find it later among others. Type your chosen name into the dashboard name field. Once you've entered the name, look for the button that confirms your choice, usually labeled Create Dashboard. Click on Create Dashboard. HubSpot will now generate a new empty dashboard, or in some cases, it might pre-fill it with a few suggested reports that match your chosen template. Now you're ready to customize and manage your dashboard according to your needs. On this screen, you can add reports, rearrange them, resize tiles, and remove anything that isn't useful. Use the Add Report or Add Widget option to bring in visualizations like charts, tables, and summary numbers. You can drag and drop reports to organize the layout so that the most important metrics are at the top and easy to scan. As you manage your dashboard, think about who will use it and how often. Adjust filters such as date ranges or owners so the data stays relevant. You can also rename the dashboard later, clone it if you want a slightly different version, or share it with specific teammates by adjusting the sharing or visibility settings. That's the full process. Navigate to Reporting, open dashboards, create a new one, give it a clear name, and then customize and manage it so it truly supports your daily